Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can use advanced blocks to create 5 columns in your Notion. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we can see the prompt where it says write something or press space for AI /4 commands. We're going to hit the / key on our keyboard, and then we're going to start typing advanced blocks. Once we do that, this whole list is going to populate. We're going to go down and look for the 5 columns. Once we click on the 5 columns, we're going to have the option to enter in titles for our 5 columns. Now, this is a little bit tricky because you can't exactly see where the columns start and where they end. You're going to have to hover over that space and you'll see the plus sign and then the 6 little dots. And then if you push your mouse into that area, your prompt should come up that says write something or press space for AI /4 commands. So then you can go in and enter in the titles of your column, and then you can go and click under each column to write something under that particular column. And that is how you use advanced blocks 5 columns in Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.